naman. Thank you for
Nandiyan na si
coming to the
Charlie.
premiere. Sana supportahan niyo yung movie.
Okay.
Supportahan niyo yung mga artista. Salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Sir Dono. Talagang good vibes ang dala.
Yes.
At eto na nga, kakumpletuhin na natin ang special cast ng Reconnect. Because joining us here and gracing the red carpet, Trinoma, let's get on!
Yes, alam mo, itong gabi na itong oozing with talent. Grabe nakakalunod sa talento and hindi tayo magre-reklamo, di ba? So ngayon, excited na akong i-welcome itong ating next, part of the cast to make the night shine brighter. Naku, no need to filter.
For Bella
Thank you.
Padilla!
Alright, eto naman, sunod-sunod na to, Michael.
Eto na, Nikki!
Let's introduce naman the creative mind behind the Reconnect. Let us all welcome Direct Jade Castro!
Let's give it up for Direct Jade Castro!
Hi, Direct! Hello!
Welcome! Please join us here on stage.
Direct, welcome! Nice to see you!
Direct
Nikki.
looking
Hi,
handsome.
guys.
Merry
Hi, guys.
Christmas!
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Direct, isang tanong lang, bakit Reconnect ang perfect film to watch this Christmas?
Kasi kami lang ang Christmas movie ng MMFF. So pagka nasa Christmas spirit kayo at kasama niyo pamilya niyo, barkada niyo, I think ito yung film na pag nanood kayo, paglabas niyo ng sinihan, lahat kayo masaya.
Yes.
Sakto on Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day, oh.
Something to really look out for. Direct, thank you. Lahat ng mga tao dito sa Trinoma excited for this beautiful film. All excited to watch. Congratulations.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Ako din excited ako.
Thank
Direct
you,
mismo
Direct.
excited na guys. Kaya Trinoma, abangan na natin. But Direct, please join the rest of the castmates here on stage. And Nikki,
Eto na. This is it.
this is it
Okay. Last but not the least.
for a special photo op.
Let's go. Ayan. Okay, a round of applause, please. Palakpakan naman natin ang buong cast ng Reconnect!
Trinoma, give it once again for the cast of Reconnect. Give it your best smile. Look at those cameras. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Sabihin naman natin ang Reconnect. Thank you to the cast of Reconnect. Please feel free to head on inside to the cinemas and experience the wonderful red carpet and photo booths.
And of course, Michael, we would love to acknowledge din yung iba nating kasama sa cast. We have Andrea Brillantes, Angel Guardian, and Miss Gloria Diaz na hindi natin makakasama ngayon, but at heart, ayan, kasama natin. Okay. Yes, see you this Friday sa MMFF Parade of Stars. Lahat sila ay kumpleto doon!
Huwag masyado tumikit!
side.
And Bella's here in a bit, okay?
As she makes her way in, star-studded.
Yes, of course. And while waiting for Bella, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our content creators, media who's here with us.
Hard-working press people.
Yes, to join in the fun. Maraming salamat po. Everyone is excited to reconnect with everyone.
Yan na, Rico and Bella Padilla.
Yes. Alam mo, Rico, kanina we asked some of our guests, anong una mong gagawin kapag nawalan ka ng internet during Christmas? So I will be asking you that, anong una mong gagawin, Rico?
I will go to my neighbor.
Doon ka, tapos
Internet tayo.
Internet.
Actually, reconnect. That's what it's all about. I guess Bella here, did she make her way in?
And I think in a bit.
In a bit? Okay, and also Gerald Anderson?
Yes, of course. And we'll be seeing them and we'll be getting to know the cast in just a short while. But for everyone who's here, I think you got your tickets with you. May mga tanong dyan. Sinagot nyo ba ang mga katanungan na yon? Yan, parang may mga questions kasi sila Rico sa tickets nila. So, yun din yung same question din. Kung ano ba yung una nilang gagawin kung mawalan ng internet ngayong Pasko.
Let's talk to our stars. Wanna talk to our stars?
Yes, tinanong din natin sila kanina.
Okay, sige, kumakaway lang muna sila.
Photo op and video.
So get their
For
videos.
everyone.
Okay, hi.
Hello.
So, of course, it's all about reconnecting. Sino yung sa Christmas season would you want to reconnect with again?
Siguro my family, again, more. I want to reconnect with them more.
Kasi nga, you guys are always busy, always working. That's what it's all about. How about you?
Maybe some old friends from the past. Maybe I want to reconnect with them again. So yun. As simple as that.
I saw your mom's reaction. Wow, what a question.
Rico, I think we can ask them the question later on dahil Bella is here na. So again, we would like to call Miss Bella Padilla!
Yeah! Make some noise for Bella and Gerald Anderson!
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for joining us sa premiere namin. Kahit na alam namin traffic na po dahil December na at nasa Metro Manila tayo, so talaga naman traffic. Maglalakad-lakad muna ako dito. Saan ba ako pupunta?
Pasyal ka daw muna, Bella.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at kapamilya namin na dumating tonight, mga katrabaho. Maraming salamat. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung movie namin. It's very light, it's a beautiful and heartwarming movie. So, also help us spread the word. December 25, palabas na po kami. Thank you po.
Ayan, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Katulad na sinabi ng lahat, marami pong salamat sa pagpunta. Alam namin traffic, but you guys are still here. At sana po sa December 25, makanood din kayo ulit ng Reconnect or ikwento niyo po sa mga kaibigan niyo, sa pamilya niyo about our film. It's the only Christmas-themed movie sa festival, kaya I'm sure magugustuhan niyo po ito. Kaya sana po isuportahan niyo kami. Merry Christmas!
Yes, Direct Jade.
Thank you everybody. Merry Christmas. Ang gagaling po ng lahat ng cast. Hindi dito ko sabihin. Well, actually hindi. Sobrang saya working with these bunch of people. It's a director's dream na meron siyang cast na ganito gagaling at kasi sarap na trabaho. And really had a lot of fun and a lot of hard work. So sana po magustuhan nyo and magagaling na ako ulit. Ayun, hope you enjoy it. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga members of the staff na nandyan. Hindi ko kayo makita. And my family's here. Ayun, so hi and friends, hello. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you so much again presenting the amazing cast and director of Reconnect. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
As they do take their seats, once
Yes.
again, one more for the photo.
And videos. Alam ko everyone wants to